Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so excited about reviewing and trying on today's unit. She is from Outre. She is part of the Perfect Hairline series, and you know how I feel about that. She is gorgeous on every level, and I got her in the color that I wanted. So let me introduce you to Etienne. And you can see all the varieties of ways that you can wear her. This Etienne is a 13x6 fully hand-tied lace wig. She is the transparent HD lace, no plucking required. She is heat safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and she is 26 inches. And I have her in DRST2 / chocolate caramel. And here she is. Look at this wonderful mix of colors. So lovely. Okay, so we're looking baby hairs here, very nice. Now I have to admit, I really expected a more graduated hairline here. It's not bad, but I just thought it would just kind of be nice and wispy out here and then just gradually go into thickness. I don't think it's going to be problematic, but I just expected something different. One thing I do very much appreciate, we do not have the faux scalp action going on here. I mean, you're really seeing through this, the top of this. I mean, it is like transparent. I'm holding it up. I don't think you can see, but I can see the camera through this. So I really appreciate that transparency. This just makes it look much more natural. Combs. Comb back here. Adjustable straps. You have your band. I have wanted this unit for quite some time. I cannot wait to get her on. So you know what we do, let's just go ahead. I'm going to use our Kafune Tint Lace Mousse just to add a little color to this. And we'll place her on and see where we're going to go with her. Alright guys, so before we close out, I think we just need to have a moment of silence for Miss Etienne. She is worth the wait. This is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to push back a little bit. She is serving length. I can't even get up. I have bad knees, so trust me when I say. Okay, that's as far as my 60-ish-year-old knees will take me. Trust me on this. She's long, and she is full, and she's gorgeous, and this color. Okay, so we applied her a little bit differently. I didn't do it the way I normally did. I decided to put it on the head and really look and see where it lay, and I'm glad I did, because you know how you get those extra lace around the ears. That had to go. And I'm glad I positioned her in just the way, and we just did her kind of backwards, adhering her with the hairspray and with the lace melt, Kafuni lace melt. Thank you. And then once we got her insecure, then going in with the lace tint. And it applied a little dark when I put it on. I think you could see that. But once we got the makeup and the contouring and everything done, it's a little bit better. As a matter of fact, the color, I kind of like that little bit of darkness, because it really did help my contouring with my makeup. But anyway, guys, yes, she is everything. Guys, thanks so much for joining me on this one. I really enjoyed installing her and sharing her with you. I think I'm just in love with her. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, guys. I'd just love to have you as part of the family. Thank you to those of you who have subscribed. I so appreciate you. Thumbs me up on this video, guys. I really appreciate that. And until next time, guys, stay blessed.